Welcome. In front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how many RAM slots your laptop has. So to check the RAM slots, right-click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, go into Performance section, select Memory tab, and right here you'll see the form factor of your memory. If it's SODIMM, it means that your RAM sticks are replaceable. If it's a row of chips, that means that they are irreplaceable. And the number of slots is right here. And as you can see, both of the slots are used by two 32 GB RAM sticks. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.